This is it, y'all. Let me push it back. Let me get back, cause this is a big package, yo. When I saw this, I was like, Home Depot. But then I saw the tag. I was like, I wasn't expecting you till Monday, bro. Oh man. So the key is to get it there. Crazy. Crazy. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, that's that. So what I'm working on now is, it's about to be 3 o'clock in the day in the morning, is the LED lights. And I have an idea of how I want them to go. They're already laid out and things like that. I'm actually going to show you how they look while sitting here at the bed. Let me show y'all something. And guys, you have to realize I have to sit here, so I turn the brightness down, things like that. It looks great. I mean, coming from the side and then I'm gonna do one of the settings. Yeah, that's kind of lit. That's what I should do the first damn time. You know what I mean? So it's from there all the way down, and I have it plugged up with my ring light, which is also over there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing the first ever Thursday chat in the new setup. I'm still gonna stream on a laptop too, though. You know, just when I don't feel like getting up over there and stuff like that. But we just gotta wait on the keyboard. That's the only thing is missing. Other than that, this is almost complete. I do want to fix the picture though. Maybe put some motivation up there, because that's really nice. I like drawing that type of stuff, but I really want to put some motivation up there, like when I'm sitting right there. So yeah, I'm off to bed now. Bye bye. Final piece is here. Late, but it's here. Bro, you do not know what I had to do. Like, I was out there. Bruh, I was out there from... Dude, it shouldn't have taken this long. Trying to get a keyboard. I should have ordered it. Along with the desktop tower, but I wouldn't take it. But either way, it's here. Excuse my foot. And a mess. Golly. Well, streaming tonight. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, that looks nice. I guess that's lights or whatever. There it is. There it is.